Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're listening to this news from. I have another interesting game for you for this channel. Ex-president, ex-minister finally exposes deadly cabal in current government that everyone expects. What is this trying to tell us? This is trying to see that the bad eggs in Tinubu's government that have been causing these worries for Nigerians, that has been causing this headache for Nigerians, that has been causing this malaria from Nigerians, is now being exposed. Wow. Who could this be? Who could this person be? That is what we need to find out in the content below. Let's quickly go into the content and know who this person is and how he or she will be fished out immediately from office. Breaking news: the ex-president and ex-minister exposes cabal in Tinubu's government. News in details. Solomon Dalong, a former minister of Youngs and Support, who served in the first term of former President Buhari Muhammad, recently disclosed the presence of a powerful group within President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government, commonly referred to as a cabal. During an appearance on Channels Television's Sunrise Daily on Tuesday, Dalong pointed to the rejection of Dr. Mariam Shettima, a ministerial nominee from Kano State, as evidence of this cabal's continued influence in the Aso Rock. Dalong questioned how a nominee like Shettima, also known as Shetty, would have a name on the ministerial list, only to be informed that she was not on the list upon confirmation. This incident, in his view, highlights the enduring presence of political factions manipulating the power dynamic in Nigeria's government. Furthermore, Dalong claimed that his own exclusion from Buhari's government, was due to his outspoken nature, describing his speech as toxic. He firmly asserted that cabals persist in Tinubu's administration, characterizing them as a collection of ambitious individuals with varying goals within the corridors of power, all varying to seize control and safeguard their personal interests. In light of these developments, it is worth noting that Dalong, after resigning from All Progressive Congress on April 18, 2023, entered the race to the Langland North South Federal Constituency of Plateau House of Representatives seat. However, he faced defeat in the election, losing to Benny La of the People's Democratic Party, who secured 42,008 votes. In summary, Solomon Dalong's recent revelations shed light on what he perceives as a cabal's continued influence in government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as evidenced by the rejection of ministerial nominee Dr. Mariam Shettima and the alleged stifling of outspoken voices within the administration. Despite this claim, Dalong's political ambitions suffered a setback in the form of an electoral. So viewers, you have heard it all from the horse's mouth. What is your own take concerning this? Please don't hesitate to drop every of your comments below the comment box. Let's also know what you think about what you just heard. Please don't hesitate, I've said before, click on the subscription button as well as the bell button if you have not done that, and also drop your comments down below the comment box so that when we upload new videos, you'll be the first person to get notifications.